Hey everybody, Kevin here. So, welcome back to the channel, Missouri Clark Life. Oh my gosh. So I caught a bunch of these cicadas. We've got millions of them in our yard. And Jason and Bruce are definitely enjoying watching them in the bowl. So be sure to check out our channel, Missouri Clark Life, and hit that subscribe button and see what other crazy stuff that we do on there. This is so funny. The cats are wondering what in the heck these bugs are. What do you think, Bruce? Is that pretty cool? Jason seems pretty content with them. Check them out, Bruce. Come here, Bruce. Check them out.